In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Brevo. Whether you're new to email campaigning or just looking to refine your current strategy, Brevo offers intuitive tools that can bring more structure to your emails, allowing for better organization of information through tables. Let's dive in and take full advantage of what Brevo's features have to offer. The first step is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to do so to get access to all of Brevo's functionalities. Logging in will bring you directly to your dashboard where you can manage your campaigns. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Campaigns tab. This is where the magic begins. Click on Create a Campaign if you're looking to start fresh, or you can choose to open an existing campaign if you have something already in progress. This flexibility allows you to either start anew or build upon what you have already created, providing a nice overview of your emails in development. Next, we'll move on to the design phase, which is arguably the most exciting part. Click on Design and opt for Create from Scratch. This serves as a blank canvas for you to let your creativity flow, tailored to the needs of your particular campaign. You'll want to select the Drag and Drop Editor, a user-friendly tool that lets you insert various elements into your email seamlessly. The drag and drop feature is especially useful for those without extensive coding experience, as it allows you to visually arrange components with ease. With our workspace set, it's time to include the table. Look for an HTML block in the editor, a handy feature for incorporating custom code. Once added, you can input the HTML code for your table. If you're not familiar with HTML, don't worry. There are plenty of resources online that provide pre-made code for tables, and learning just a few basics can go a long way in customizing your emails to perfection. After inserting your code into the HTML editor, it's crucial to click Save to ensure all changes are stored and that your table appears as intended. This step serves as both a final check and an opportunity to make any quick adjustments necessary to ensure your table aligns with the overall design and flow of your email. With these steps completed, you've successfully added a table to your Brevo campaign, providing your readers with a clean and organized view of your information. With time, you'll become adept at utilizing tables to enhance the functionality and presentation of your emails in Brevo.